How to transfer from Phantom wallet to your Binance account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. In this video, let's take the example how we can send Solana from our Phantom wallet to our Binance account. For this, simply open up your Binance account, click on this option of deposit. By the way, you can do this process on your mobile device as well. After that, select deposit crypto. Now over here, we will simply select the option of Solana. And in the network, we will simply select Solana network. And as soon as you will select the Solana address, you will get an address on your Binance account. Simply copy this address, open up your Phantom wallet, and over here, click on this option of send. Then search for Solana. Then paste the address that we just copied from our Binance account. After that, type the amount of Solana that you want to send and click on next. After that, click on send, and this way you would be able to send Solana from your Phantom wallet to your Binance account. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.